The world of cryptocurrency has evolved beyond simple trading. Today, investors are discovering innovative ways to earn money even while they sleep, a concept known as passive income. Among the most popular methods are crypto staking and yield farming, both of which are key components of decentralized finance DeFi. These systems allow individuals to earn rewards on their digital assets without actively buying and selling. To understand how to earn passive income with crypto, it's essential to first grasp the foundation of blockchain technology. Every cryptocurrency runs on a blockchain, a distributed ledger that records all transactions securely. Some blockchains use a consensus mechanism called proof of stake pause, which allows users to lock their tokens to help maintain network security. In return, these users receive staking rewards. Crypto staking explained. Crypto staking involves locking up a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to support a blockchain network's operations. When you stake your tokens, you're essentially helping verify transactions and maintain network integrity. In return, you earn regular rewards, usually in the form of the same cryptocurrency. This method offers investors a predictable and steady crypto ROI return on investment. For example, networks like Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot use staking to secure their blockchains. By staking Ethereum in the Ethereum staking system, users can earn annual percentage yields (APY) that vary depending on the network's demand and total number of stakers. One of the biggest advantages of staking is its simplicity. You can stake directly through your crypto wallet or through major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Once you lock your funds, the blockchain automatically rewards you at regular intervals. The potential earnings depend on several factors: the cryptocurrency staked, network participation, and the duration of your staking. For instance, smaller networks often offer higher APY to attract more participants, while established coins like Ethereum offer lower, but more stable returns. The role of liquidity pools in DeFi. Beyond staking, another powerful passive income method is yield farming. This strategy allows investors to earn interest or rewards by providing liquidity to liquidity pools within DeFi protocols. A liquidity pool is a collection of crypto tokens locked in a smart contract to facilitate decentralized trading and lending. When you deposit tokens into a pool, for example, on platforms like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or Aave, you become a liquidity provider. Traders use these pools to swap tokens, and in return, you earn a portion of the transaction fees, along with possible token rewards. Yield farming is riskier, but potentially more profitable than staking. While staking rewards are relatively stable, yield farming returns can fluctuate depending on the protocol's performance and market conditions. Some investors earn double or triple-digit APYs by strategically moving funds between different crypto platforms. How yield farming works. The process starts by connecting a wallet, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, to a DeFi platform. You then deposit your cryptocurrency into a liquidity pool, often pairing to tokens, such as Ethereum and USDC. The pool uses your funds to facilitate trades, and you earn passive income from the fees generated. Many DeFi protocols also offer governance tokens as additional rewards. For example, providing liquidity on Compound earns you comp tokens, while staking on PancakeSwap earns cake tokens. These token rewards can then be sold or reinvested to compound your returns. The concept of compounding crypto, reinvesting your earnings back into staking or yield farming, allows you to grow your portfolio faster over time. This strategy is similar to reinvesting dividends in traditional finance. Comparing staking and yield farming, while both staking and yield farming offer opportunities for passive income, they differ in risk, reward, and complexity. Staking is simpler and more secure. It's ideal for beginners who want predictable staking rewards with minimal management. Yield farming, on the other hand, requires active monitoring. It offers higher returns, but comes with higher crypto risks, such as impermanent loss or smart contract vulnerabilities. Staking suits those seeking stable and long-term income, while yield farming appeals to investors comfortable with risk and short-term strategies. Platforms for staking and yield farming. Several platforms make it easy to get started with crypto passive income. Binance Earn offers flexible and locked staking for popular coins. Coinbase Staking, great for beginners, providing simple Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana staking options. Kraken, known for secure staking with competitive APYs. Uniswap and PancakeSwap, ideal for yield farming and liquidity provision. Aave and Compound, focused on decentralized lending and borrowing. These platforms serve different levels of experience, from beginners to seasoned DeFi users. Always compare APEs, lockup periods, and risk levels before investing. Risks of earning passive income in crypto. While the idea of earning money passively is attractive, it's crucial to understand the crypto risks involved. Unlike traditional savings accounts, staking and yield farming are exposed to market volatility, protocol failures, and smart contract exploits. One major risk is impermanent loss, which occurs when the value of the tokens in a liquidity pool changes drastically compared to when they were deposited. Another concern is rug pulls, where developers abandon a DeFi project and withdraw all liquidity, leaving investors with worthless tokens. Security is another factor. Always use reputable crypto wallets and enable two-factor authentication. Avoid unknown or unverified DeFi platforms promising unrealistically high APs. The role of stablecoins in passive income. For those who prefer lower-risk options, stablecoins such as USDT, USDC, and DAI are excellent choices. Many DeFi platforms allow you to stake or lend stablecoins, earning steady interest without worrying about market volatility. Since stablecoins are pegged to fiat currencies, they provide predictable returns in the cryptocurrency investment landscape. Long-term passive income strategies. To build sustainable financial freedom through cryptocurrency, diversification is key. Combine multiple passive income methods, stake some tokens, lend stablecoins, and participate in trusted yield farms. Monitor your returns regularly and rebalance your portfolio to minimize risks. Automation tools can also help maximize returns. Many platforms now support auto-compounding, which automatically reinvests rewards for continuous growth. This method saves time and ensures consistent yield accumulation. As the DeFi ecosystem matures, new opportunities are emerging for passive earners. Innovations like liquid staking, where you can earn staking rewards while keeping your assets liquid for trading, are revolutionizing how investors earn income. Projects like Lido and Rocket Pool allow Ethereum holders to stake and still use their assets in other protocols simultaneously. The future of passive income in cryptocurrency. The potential for earning passive income through crypto is expanding as technology evolves. Blockchain networks are becoming faster and more efficient, while DeFi platforms are growing in stability and transparency. In the coming years, we can expect traditional financial institutions to integrate staking and yield farming into mainstream banking products. As more people adopt digital finance, cryptocurrency investment will shift from speculation to income generation. Passive income methods like staking and yield farming will become essential tools for building long-term wealth. Ultimately, earning passive income through crypto isn't just about making money. It's about participating in the evolution of finance. By leveraging blockchain technology, anyone can take control of their financial destiny without relying on centralized systems. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth videos about cryptocurrency, DeFi, and blockchain opportunities. Stay informed, stay secure, and start building your journey toward financial freedom through smart crypto investing.